All right, so I left my house this morning before I even got this notification, and I was just gonna grab some coffee, kind of drive around, get a little bit of gas because, well, I needed some gas, and I just got the notification. So let's go ahead and pick it up. I'm super excited. All right, if you're from Vegas, you probably know this little area, but I've lived down in this area most of my life. This is my favorite side of town. Hi. 6499. Oh, right here, son. Thank you. Have a good one. Yo. Got the goods. Got the goods.